Hi, welcome to Shan's InfoWorld. Today we are discussing if function in Excel. If function is one of the most popular functions in Excel. It allows you to make logical comparison between a value and what you expect. Today we will discuss here three topics: if with one condition, if with two condition and calling function, the nest if, that means if condition with another if condition. Let's see the example here. I have a list of students and their marks, respective subjects, and their total marks. Based on their total marks, we need to mention here they pass or failed. If their total mark is greater than 120, they will pass, otherwise they will fail. This condition we will check by if condition in Excel. I am typing the equation now. Is equal to if, double click, logical test means their total mark is greater than or equal to 120, comma. So logical test is finished. Then you can see if this value is true, that is the first equation is true, we need to put pass. So I'm putting pass in double column because this is a letter, then comma, again double column, fail. If the condition this value is greater than 120, then pass, otherwise fail. Then bracket close, enter. So you can see the pass 182 is greater than 120, so his pass. I can copy this value for the below also. So you can see one guy is failed because his total mark is less than 120. I will see one more example. If their total mark is greater than 180, I need to put the student is excellent. The second case we are discussing now is equal to if their total marks, if the logical test value is their total mark greater than 1, greater than and equal to also 180. I need to put if their mark is greater than or equal to 180, comma, I need to put excellent. Then comma, otherwise value if false. I need to put if it is false, that is less than 180 mark, then I don't want to put any value, so I'm putting double inverted comma and close the bracket because I don't want to put any value here, that's why it is just a closing, then enter. You can see his mark is 182, so I will copy this mark below. You can see where the excellent peoples are here, 180 here, 180 here, that's why excellent is here. The remaining values, there is no values because they are not more than 180 marks. So we will discuss the next second topic. We have two conditions here, that is if the total mark is less than 180 and greater than 160, then we will put here good. If their total mark is less than 180, otherwise, and in between 180 and 160 we will put good. So we will see this equation now. If we have two conditions here, that's why we will call AND function also here. So AND Then in AND, logical 1, logical 2. You can put different conditions here. In Excel, it will read 1 1 1 like that, the conditions. So first condition is you can put this value less than 180 comma, otherwise this value greater than 160 comma, then we need to, if this condition is true, then we need to put good. Otherwise we don't want to put any value, so I'm putting blank, then bracket close. Now we need to close the bracket here also, enter. So you can see this is 182 in between, not in between. So I will copy this equation below also, so you can see good here, good here, good here, because 162 is in between 180 and 160. Good. This is the second condition. I hope you understood now. The condition is, I will explain again. If and, because and, why we are calling and, there are two conditions. The total mark is less than 180 or total mark greater than 160, then it is good, otherwise we don't want to put any value. Thank you. See, in type 1 we discuss excellent, then type 2 we discuss good. We need to put these two equations together. So in this case we are using nest if function. That means if function inside another if function also will come. If function and another if function also you can see here. So I will put this equation now. If the logical test, before starting the logical test we know, because there are two conditions, so I will call AND function also. And if this value j6 less than 180 comma, this value greater than 160, condition is over, so I'm closing the bracket. If this condition is true, it should be written good. That means the score should be in between 180 and 160. It's good. Then next condition we are putting another if function. If this value greater than or equal to 180 comma, if the total mark is more than 180, we need to put excellent. Then I'm closing the if, first if, then the second if also I need to close, then enter. You can see excellent is came here. Now I'm copying and pasting the value below, so you can see excellent, good, 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 good. Here false is coming, right? So we need to move this false. That means in this situation the equation is not valid, because the 148 mark is below 160. So we need to, in this case we don't want to put any value here, so I'm editing this equation again. After this excellent comma, we don't want to put any value, then we will paste this equation below. Then you can see excellent, good, good, I hope you understood everything. Thank you. If you have any comments, you can mention me. Thank you.